Hello everyone, I'm Rosemary and welcome to my channel. So today I am making another refreshing drink for weight loss and skin glow. The ingredients for these are watermelon, tomato, carrots, ginger and cinnamon. So firstly, I'm just slicing my carrots, just slice into chunks. Then I'm going to slice my ginger. All my fruits and veggies has been washed and cleaned. Now I'm just slicing my tomato. Next I'm going to slice my watermelon. You just need to slice these into chunks. Depends on what your blender can handle. Next, I'll just add all my sliced fruit into my bowl. Then I'll continue with the slicing of my watermelon. Next, in a clean blender, just add in your fruits. I didn't add everything, I just added some. Then I'm going to blend. After that, then I'll add the others. Now I'm just adding half cup of water to help this blend properly. Once it has blended to my taste, I'll add the other fruit and then continue blending. Then once smooth, I'll add a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cover and continue blending. Once it has blended to my taste, now as you can see it is properly blended, then I'll begin to sieve that. This is a juice, not a smoothie, hence the reason for my sieving. But if you want to take this as a smoothie, which is very possible, it will help to keep you fuller for a longer time if that is your choice. But yeah, I am making a juice, not a smoothie, hence I am sieving that. This drink is super refreshing. It is very delicious and healthy. It will help you burn that fat, that belly fat. It will control your diet. It will help you to have a glowing skin as well. Carrots, as you know, as well as tomatoes, contains beta-carotenes that helps to glow skin, as well as your ginger, which will help to burn that belly fat. Also with that cinnamon, it helps to burn belly fat as well. Now I'm just done sieving all the juice. That's the last batch I just turned in. I've fitted that properly. Then the next thing, I'll just be adding all my pops back into my sieve. This is to rinse it back into my juice bowl. And to do that, I'll just be adding a little bit of water that I'm using to rinse my blender. Yes, that is my water, very little, not too much. I'll rinse the blender, turn into the pulp, and then I'll sieve again to get all the juice out. Though not exactly everything, but at least it goes a long way. And this is my pulp. You can decide to use this for crackers, for any kind of recipe that you can enjoy. Next, I'm just going to add my lemon juice. This is the finishing touch for my juice. It helps to keep the juice preserved and keep its natural taste. Now this is your juice. It is ready and delicious to consume. Please try to make this recipe. It is super healthy and very refreshing as well. Please like my videos, share, subscribe, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And please click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post another wonderful video. Thank you and God bless.